Welcome to Road to 100, Sums on Quant. How many trees with perfect squares start and end with the same digit? Now, perfect squares can end with 0, can end with 1, can't end with 2 or 3, can end with 4, 5, 6, can't end with 7 or 8, but can end with 9. Now, 0 cannot be the start of a 3-digit number, so 0 is ruled out. So we look at next 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So 1 ending in 1. If you look at 11 square satisfies. 11 square is 121. 121 satisfies. Because there's numbers ending in 1 squares are 1 and 9. 1 square, 9 square end in 1. So from that 11 square is 1 which will end in 1. 19 will not. 19 will not start with 1. Looking at 4. 4-4. 20 square is 400. So 22 square gives you 484. So this is 22 square. Possible. Coming at 5. 5 and 5. If it ends with 5, 25 square is 625. No. Starting with 6, ending in 5, not possible. 6 and 6. You make out 26 square is 676. So 26 square satisfies. Right. Then 9 and 9. 30 square is 900. 33 square goes above 1000. So no. So only 3 numbers satisfy. So answer is A option. Systematically try to find out the values. You should get the answer. 3. A alone can complete a work in 24 days. B can complete in 36 days. You can do LCM method. 24 and 36. LCM is 72 units of work. So A does 3 units of work per day. B does 2 units of work per day. Now here A and B together will work first. But in every 3 days, A will work for second day because he is more efficient. B has to work for third day, because if B works for second day, no one will work for third day, because each one works for 2 consecutive days and at least one has to work per day. So to complete the work fast, technically A and B should work first together, then A, then B. Okay. So if you continue doing that, here you complete 5 units of work, here you complete 3 units of work, here you complete 2 units of work. So they complete 10 units of work in 5 days. So 70 units of work in, okay, so 10 units of work in 3 days. So 70 units of work in 21 days. But it's 72 units of work. So one more day will be required. So 22nd day. Though they have not mentioned the shortest time, but that's the only way you can get the answer. There's no other way you can get the answer. The shortest time is 22nd day. Other option not possible. So answer is 22nd. D option. What is the average of 20 terms? So we look at alternate terms are AP. So 10, 15, 20, this is in AP. So middle term will be 5.5 term. That is average of 5th and 6th term. Or you can take it's a multiple of 5. Last term will be 50. Add 45 to it. So 55. 9 into 5 add. So average will be 10 plus 55 upon 2, which will become 32.5. The next series is just plus 2 as compared to first series. The next series is plus 2. So the average also will be plus 2. So overall average will be average of these two values, which will be 33.5. Average of 5 numbers and average of 5 numbers. So overall average will be average of those two, which will be 33.5. Positive numbers from 1 to 100 is written and numbers with 7 are erased. That means from every 10 numbers, only 9 numbers are taken, remaining erased. Let me take a number up to 80. Up to 80, you will realize that all numbers from 70 to 79 are erased. So 10 numbers are gone. 70. From 70, every 10 numbers, 1 number is erased. Every 10 numbers, 1 number will have a 7. So you can remove 7 numbers. 63. So 80 will be the 63rd number. I want the 78th number. So plus 7. 87 should be what? 87 again is a 7. 87 not possible. 88 will be the 78th number. So answer will be 88. Right? So if I take 80, from that 10 numbers will be having 7. Remove that. And 7 numbers, out of every 10 numbers, 1 will have a 7. So that means 70 numbers, 7 will have a 7. So 63rd number will be 80 after removing 7s. So for 78 number you add plus 7 numbers. 87 has a 7, so 88 will be the answer. Number of 3's in 54 factorial and 81 factorial. So what's the difference? 55 into 56 into 57 up to 81. So 57 has 1 3. 60 has 1 3. 63 has 2 3's because 63 is a multiple of 9. Same as 66 has 1 3. 69 has 1 3. 72 again has 2 3's. 75 has 1 3. 78 has 1 3. 81 has 4 3's because 3 raised to 4. If you add it up, it becomes 14. So 14 3's extra in 81 factorial. You can find the patterns also. 4 3's in 3 sets. So 4 again. But then there is 2 3's extra in 81 that can be added. But yeah, total comes to 14, whichever way you solve. Thank you.